Music. Welcome to a review of the Dare Mental Health app. Check the description for links and features. Dare is designed for anyone struggling with anxiety, panic attacks, or stress. It offers practical, evidence-based tools and techniques for independent mental health management, empowering you to confront fears and build resilience. Core to Dare are guided audio sessions covering panic attacks, generalized anxiety, worry, and even insomnia. These concise sessions provide immediate relief strategies through acceptance and desensitization, not avoidance. Dare also includes calming meditations and breathing exercises for high-stress moments. Unlike tracking apps, Dare empowers you with actionable skills for real-time use. For example, the Panic Attack Relief feature offers step-by-step guidance to diffuse panic's intensity. Daily reminders and challenges encourage you to safely face anxiety-provoking situations. Connect with others through Dare's community access. A premium version unlocks more extensive content and tools for a deeper dive into anxiety management. If persistent anxiety, stress, or panic attacks are impacting you, Dare's practical techniques and user-friendly interface make it an invaluable resource. Take control of your anxiety. Explore the Dare app today. Links are in the description.